Hey everybody. So I recently just installed the Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs. And this is what they look like. Front end dropped, I want to say 2 inches, maybe 1.5. Front end dropped the most, for sure. The back dropped as well. I used to be able to fit 4 fingers in there. Now I can manage maybe 3, 2-ish. The front is tight, like tight 2 fingers. I'm rubbing in there. But the setup I have is 215 45 17 on 17-inch wheels. So that tire, that sidewall will fill up your wheel well. You can't see the wheel well anymore. This is exactly what I wanted, just to not be able to see that. It's still dailyable, still winter drivable, plenty of room there for snow buildup. I'm not bottoming out on anything, still high enough to the point where I'm not scraping when I go up the driveway. Let me know what you guys think. I think it gives the car a lot better of a look. I have some before photos and some after ones. Well, this is the after. So before, and this is after. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a lot better now. Just dropping it those 1.5 inches has done a lot for the car, I think. You guys let me know what you think. I'm glad I did it. The kit I ordered on Amazon was around $450 Canadian. So it's actually not a bad kit. Took me 4 hours, I want to say, to install. I started at noon and I was finished by 4 p.m. So yeah, guys, 4-hour install on your own. It wasn't easy, but I had all the tools I needed. I wanted to film that video, but it was it's kind of difficult. So I didn't really feel like, adding more stress to the situation and pulling out my fucking camera. But yeah, Eibach Pro Kit. Let me know what you guys think. If anyone's considering getting this kit, highly recommend. I literally cannot tell the difference between this and stock. When you're actually driving, it rides the exact same, like literally the exact same. I have yet to feel a difference. I mean, I did only install it 4 hours ago or 2 hours ago. So can't really tell. I just went to go get groceries, and in that trip I literally couldn't tell the difference. So I say great bang for your buck lowering kit. Highly recommend. Let me know what you guys think. I think it isn't too aggressive, but it's just enough. And there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and drop any questions you have about the kit in the description or in the comments, and I'll make sure to answer. Thanks.